Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE won't send MMS messages issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now here in apps, scroll down and open messages. Now go to the storage of messages app and here clear the app data and cache memory of messages. Click on delete and then go back and now open general management. Now here in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and in reset scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here click on reset settings again to confirm, and after that enter your lock screen passcode.